Are you ready to deck the halls? Do you love the classic holiday decor? The Go Nutcracker is just the die to infuse some festive spirit into all kinds of quilting and crafting projects. The Go Nutcracker Die boasts a total of 18 shapes on its 6x12 die board, and it's compatible with any Go cutter. Lay up to 4 layers of fused cotton fabric on the die, cover it with a mat, and cut to build a core of nutcrackers in no time. The fun really begins when you start building your nutcracker with the perfectly cut pieces. Soon, you're sure to have visions of holiday projects like wall hangings, pillows, hanging towels, dancing through your head like sugar plums. Giving your projects a professional finish is easy using the free, downloadable machine embroidery designs available on AccuQuilt.com, or use any stitch you desire. Fun and festive crafting projects with this die are sure to chase the bah humbugs away. Cutting materials like craft foam, felt, leather, wool, and more. Get creative by dressing your nutcrackers for success with pieces from other dies. Turn one into Santa using the hat from the Go Gnome die, or add a dapper top from the Go Holiday Accessories die. Use braids from the Go Gnome Accessories die to show the nutcracker can be girls. Add embellishments like buttons, rickrack, and cording to enhance your figures. It's all up to you and your imagination, because at AccuQuilt we help you cut time so you can quilt and craft more.